Number 2, are you ready? If you are ready, say ready, ready, I am ready. Ready for the number 2 style, how to quickly and easily style your turban scarf stylishly, classically, queenly, princessly. So, let's go. Number 2, I just folded it into half, place it on my head, and then at the back, and you can give it a pleat if you want. This is the time to give it maybe 2 pleats. That's good enough. Then you can just roll it. Roll it. Oh, just roll it stylishly, stylishly. And when you are placing, you just don't place a place. Make sure it's come from your ear like this. That gives you the stylish look. And pass through your ear like this. And at the back, tuck it in. You can go to work like this. You can just roll the second. Stylishly. My stylish lady. My cutie ladies. Drink it from your hair. Also again. Then. And you see the way I place it. My hair. And tuck it in. Same way. Just like you as you want. And let me retop this one. I didn't finish folding it. It's just my hair. I'm still making sure my hair, and then just tuck it in. Easy peasy, right? And how to like look stylish, classic. Not just rush into work and just tie your scarf like stylish lady. Okay? Then let's go to the number 3.